Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Venmo to Cash App. Alright, so let's begin. I'm going to talk about how you can move money directly from a Venmo account to a Cash App account without having to go through a bank account in between, and you can get it done for free. Start by opening Venmo on your phone and tapping the settings icon in the upper right corner. Then tap payment methods and choose add a bank or card. If you don't have a Cash App debit card, you can use Cash App as a bank, select bank. Venmo will offer to connect instantly using PLED, but Cash App doesn't support that here, so tap verify bank manually instead. Venmo will ask for a routing number and account number, so you'll need to get those from Cash App. Open Cash App, tap on your money at the bottom left, tap direct deposit and scroll down to find your routing and account numbers. Copy the routing number, go back to Venmo and paste it in. Then copy your account number from Cash App and paste it into Venmo, entering it again in the confirmation field. Venmo will mention that it will make 2 small deposits and 2 withdrawals over the next few days to verify the account. Once those deposits and withdrawals appear in your Cash App, open Cash App, tap the activity or history section and look for transactions labeled Venmo verification. You might see small amounts like 1 cent and 19 cents. Take note of those amounts, then return to Venmo. Go to settings, payment methods, select Saturn Bank, which represents Cash App, and tap verify. Enter the exact deposit amounts. When verified, the unverified label will disappear. Now go back to the Venmo home screen, tap manage balance and choose transfer to bank. You can send money from Venmo to Cash App even before verification is complete. You'll see options for instant transfer or 1-3 business days. Select the bank and choose Saturn Bank for Cash App. Instant transfers to Saturn Bank aren't supported, so you'll need to use the standard transfer. Enter the amount and tap transfer. The first transfer and the verification deposits can arrive in less than 24 hours. After your Cash App account is verified, you can also move money instantly from Cash App to Venmo. In Venmo, tap manage balance, then tap on add money. Choose the instant option, which is free up to certain weekly limits. Enter your amount and select your bank. Pick Saturn Bank, your Cash App, then confirm. The money can be added to Venmo instantly. Venmo allows multiple banks and cards, which makes this one of the easiest ways to move money between Cash App and Venmo. And that's it. This is how you can transfer money from Venmo to Cash App. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.